Hi.
Excuse me. But you haven't seen a man around here looking for anyone, have you?
No, sorry. Just ask around.
Right. I will. I have a job interview. I'm a little nervous.
I'm sure you'll do fine.
Yes, I will. I'm a calm, confident, independent person, and I'm going to get this job. Okay, here goes. Is anyone here expecting to meet me? Okay. That was embarrassing. Listen, maybe you can help me out with something.
What is it?
I can see you love your job and you're ambitious. And you're cool when under pressure, I can tell. You're respected and your coffee is delicious. As for me,
I've got a medium sugar-free non-fat mocha for Kathy. You what?
well, my working life's not working out so well.
My interview starts out just great.
I'm so prepared, appearing confident and strong. Hey, why be scared? 'Cause really nothing can go wrong. I'm right on time because I've organized my life on my computer. But then I freeze. They say they need someone who's fluent in Chinese. I say I might need some review. Why even try? Although I bet I could learn quickly with a tutor. I'm pretty smart. I'm good at what I do. But I'm overlooking something. I haven't got a clue. So finally, I land a job. I'm selling toys across the state. My boss is Bob. He likes to keep me working late, but what a jerk! Although I'm not sure I'd have quit if he was cuter.
Anyway, now I have an interview with a company that sells medical supplies and, well,
I know I need to ace this meeting. I can't appear so self-defeating. Help me, please, and I'll learn anything except perhaps Chinese.
I've got a triple small, no foam vanilla latte. Your problem is you've got to learn how to quickly size people up. Look, see that woman there? Very typical. Age, 25, 35, lives behind a guard gate, drives a Mercedes. She'll get a small latte, hazelnut syrup, sugar-free, non-fat milk.
that's amazing.
And then there's the tough guy. He wants to buy an extra-large mocha with a triple shot of caramel and whipped cream, but he's worried that the guy behind him will think he's girly. So he'll get a large drip and load it with sugar and half.
You can observe all that about people.
Well, it does take practice to really know what people are looking for.
You look for any signs, you intersect their thoughts, you read between the lines, and then connect the dots. It's almost guaranteed if you're observant, you have all you really need.
I guess I haven't been very observant.
I'm pretty smart. I'm good at what I do.
Well, I've got the answer for you. Observing is the clue.
Now that man who just came in is not a committed coffee drinker. He has other things on his mind. And it looks like he's looking for somebody.
He is?
Observe. This man drinks tea. He's a chai guy, right?
That's pretty good. How'd you know?
All it takes is observation.
I'm so prepared.
Have to watch their eyes.
I'm always confident and strong. Hey, why be scared?
Must be calm and
'Cause really nothing can go wrong. I'm pretty
It's
smart.
almost guaranteed if you're observant, you have all you really need.
And I bet you're looking for someone too, right?
Yes, actually. A woman I met on the internet, but I don't know what she looks like.
There you go.
It's almost guaranteed if you're observant, you have all.
If you're observant, you have all.
If you're observant, you have all.